I say chase your dreams, man. Do that thing, man, that keeps you up at night. That thing that bothers you, man, that makes you trip. You can't quit thinking about it. You always, that thing, man, that you wake up in the middle of the night, you got a new idea. That's what you got to chase. Because anything else, it's gonna disappoint you.
Following your dreams is a lonely, solitary, scary, dangerous pursuit. You can't wait for somebody to think you can do it.
You're gonna forever be sad, man. If you don't chase that dream, you're gonna forever be miserable, man.
If you give up on your dreams, what do you have left? Nothing.
You got to be willing to risk everything to become that seed of what you believe is in there. You got to be fearless. You got to be relentless.